Hello superstar, it's 𝗧𝗜𝗍𝗍 here again. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you my strategy for trading volatility 75 index on the 5 minutes time frame. This will help you get more accurate entries and also to help you grow your account really fast. I'm talking about growing your account from as little as $50 to over $500 with just some few trades, right? You're going to use this strategy to catch a whole lot of pips, ranging from, let's see, on the market you can see this bullish candlestick here is giving us about 400 pips, and if you hold that for quite long enough you're going to be having about 2,386 pips and you're going to take the profit. So I'm just going to show you the indicator settings for this setup, and also I'm going to show you the conditions for using this strategy. If you keep to the strategy consistently, you're going to grow your account to a really big account over time. In my previous video I talked about how to trade volatility 75 in the 1 minute time frame, so if you've not watched that, you go check it up right now. Before we get started, I recommend that you watch this video to the end if you truly want to get the best from it. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to drop it as you're watching the video. I will get to the comment sections and I will reply every of the questions I see there. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on notification by hitting the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I post more videos. With that being said, let's proceed with the tutorial. Now let's quickly see the indicators required for this strategy. We'll be making use of 3 indicator windows just like we have on the screen now, and I'm just going to show you the settings of the indicators. Now the first indicator window has relative strength index in it, the second indicator window has relative strength index as the background and 4 moving averages, then the indicator window 3 has the commodity channel index. So let's see the settings of the first indicator window. The relative strength index has the period 14 applied to close, then we have the style 3 pixel black, and we have the levels 90 and 10. Now in the indicator window 2 we have the relative strength index having period 1 applied to close, then we have style 3 pixel black, and also the level 90-10. Now the next indicator is the moving average, so let's see the settings for the first moving average. We have period 50, we have shift 0, method simple applied to close, and we also have the style 3 pixel red, and the levels remain untouched. So we have the moving average, the second moving average being period 2, and every other settings just like we have on the period 50 moving average, but this time we'll have the style 3 pixel green. So we have the next moving average will be period 3, and the style this time is going to be 3 pixel orange, and finally we have the last moving average being moving average 5, and we're going to be having the style 3 pixel black, and with that we're good to go. So now we're just going to go to check the indicator window 3 and see the settings for that. For the indicator window 3 we're going to be having the commodity channel index put in it, and the settings is going to be period 14 typical price HLC/3, and we're going to be having the style 3 pixel black. Now the levels, very important, pay attention to this. We have level minus 240, minus 140, minus 100, 0, 100, 140, and 240. So on the description section of it you can just apply very strong buy, nothing for 0, and we have sell, strong sell, and very strong sell respectively. Okay, we have the style 2 pixel dark blue. With that said, let's go check what we have on the charts. Now you can see the indicators. So we're going to be having indicator window 1, the RSI, the second one has the group of moving averages, and the third indicator has the CCI. So I'm just going to show you how to trade this setup right now. Now before you trade any asset, remember that you should take a look at price on the daily time frame to have an eagle's view on the direction of the market. As you can see, we are having some sort of a bullish movement, and you can see that price has actually got to the low of the trend line. We're having a downtrend on the overall daily or weekly candlestick pattern and all that now, but price has gotten to this down. It has retested this place for the third time, and definitely you're going to be having price go upwards. We're going to be having price really go up to create another high at this point. I actually did a video on that gave a forecast of the market for July 2021, so you can just check out my previous video right now so that you're going to see the forecast of the market. Now I just want to go further to show you how to really enter this market and trade it on the 5 minutes time frame and make some pips for yourself. Okay, let's go over to the 5 minutes time frame and see the conditions for the strategy. Now I'm just going to be giving you just 3 conditions to make use of when trading this asset with this strategy. Is quite easy. Now the first thing you want to take a look at is you want to observe the RSI. You want to look out for divergence, because that's what we're going to be using the RSI window for. Divergence. We're looking out for divergence in the market, and when you see that, just know that price is about to give you what you're looking out for. So divergence or convergence. In this case, what we're having is convergence, right? So the condition is you're going to look out on the RSI and you will see convergence of price on the main chart and on the RSI. Now if price is creating a lower low on this point and you are having something like a higher low, can you see at this point we have a low, then we have a lower low, but here we had a low, and relatively this is a higher low. Now that is first confirmation. Okay, this is an indication for a buy. So we have it that price is about to take volume upwards. And then the next condition is you're going to look at the second indicator window where we have the moving averages. Now you're going to look out for price to hit the 10 level of the RSI. Now after it hits that, you're just going to get in. Now there are 2 points where you can get in on this. Number one is the point where price hit the 10 level of the RSI at the bottom right here, right? And number 2 point of entry is when price makes a cross of moving averages. So we have the small moving averages, moving average 2, 3, and 5 crossing the moving average 50, right? We have the cross right here, so you're going in there and you're definitely going to be taking up some profits for yourself. You may ask, what is the zoom level for this strategy? You're going to be using zoom level 2. This is completely out. This is level 1 and level 2. That's what you're going to be using for the strategy. Okay, now the final condition for using this strategy has to do with the commodity channel index. So you're going to wait for price to get into the buy zone. So it's either you have a very strong buy or we have a buy and you go in for price. Also, if you observe this, you're going to see that there's also some convergence. We have a low here and we have lower low here, but on the CCI we have a low and then we have a higher low. So that's an indication that price is definitely going to go further. So if you combine every of these conditions, you're definitely going to get some profit. As you can see in the markets right now, price has actually done about 2,000 pips in profit, and if you're using lot size of $1 to 1 pip, you're definitely going to make over $2,000 with this strategy, and so on. If you're making use of a lot size of 0.001, you're going to be making $200 with this strategy. And that's it. From here to here, you're going to be making about 200. This is about $230 if you're using a 0.001 lot size. Okay, and you will be good to go. You'll be good to go. So it's all about getting a good entry and making some profit for yourself. All right, if you've not subscribed to the channel yet, I want you to hit the subscribe button so that you will get access to more of my videos. All right, then I hope you got huge value from this. Check out these videos right here if you want to learn more about my trading strategies on boom and crash or on volatility 75 index. And also you can go over my channel to learn more from the free videos that I have on it. My name is 𝗧𝗜𝗘𝗟𝗑𝗖𝗎, and I'm always here to help.